guys, today we're doing a Buddy Club installation, or Buddy Club exhaust system installation. Buddy Club exhaust system installation on a Honda S2000. Full exhaust system. Shipped from Rockstar Garage. Took like 2 years to get here.
Hey, but they made it a mission to get to me like as soon as possible. Original plan, they were saying that it was on back order coming towards like the end of the year, but they allowed it to come, start December. So I'm happy about that. Yeah. Shout out to them.
Oh yeah, and this is my boy Mark, the owner of the S2000. He comes with us to autocross events, backroad racing, etc., etc.
A bunch of hot boy shit. What they're trying to say.
Pretty much. It's got teen coilovers. Probably can't see it, but they're back there. And then today we're also going to be doing spacers all around 25 mils because he wants to run with the stocks wheel setup. But just, yeah, pretty much OEM plus. But yeah, we got everything jacked up right now. Gonna start taking off the current exhaust system, which, hey, we can see the stuff that we've already done. A high flow cat. And I also did a UK exhaust mod on his mufflers. But yeah.
Alright, and the exhaust is boom. Nah, just kidding. Not in video. It has it there just for packaging purposes, but it is Buddy Club Spec 2. Take that off for you guys. So as you can see, you have stainless steel, 4-inch exit. It's pretty dope stuff. It is loud from what I've seen on YouTube. So yeah. Woo. Boom. Oh my god, he's so low. He's so cool. Damn. Look at that fitment. Wet shit.
Yeah.
Sheesh.
78 is the inducer. And then 75 is the...
Dude, the fender is like 6 feet long.
Dude, you see the cutty fucking turn signals? The legal officer.
Got the exhaust out. You can see the exhaust mod that I did pretty much to bypass the mufflers. And yeah, also pretty major dent. And then we're just gonna bolt everything back up. Alright, so just before we install the exhaust hangers onto the other exhaust system, so we just pretty much to help anybody that might be removing their exhaust systems, we always put WD-40 on all of the hangers, so then it literally just slips out with our fingers. It's super easy to put on, but as of right now, we're just going to be transferring over the hangers over to the Buddy Club exhaust system, and yeah. Alright, so we're currently putting in all the exhaust hangers and whatnot. I almost forgot to record because this was like a 2-second process that we just got it to right here. Yeah, he's putting on the exhaust gasket. I'm gonna come right here and press it up with my foot for you. Wait. Is that fine?
Hanger up over there.
Oh, it's not even plugged in. I forgot.
Yeah.
Twist. Come on. Just a lovely amount of sockets. Hangers.
There you go. Right on.
Just to go to that. I like the discoloration on your freaking thingamabobber.
Thanks, man.
The flowy thing. Oh, so this is the resonator.
Yeah.
The welds are some of that. This takes me back to welding class. And then here's the tip. Pretty much just a, what is this, 4-inch exit?
Yeah.
And it actually fits pretty well to the, yeah.
I've
Doesn't
seen
stick
it on
out.
AP1 bumpers, and to be honest, it fits a lot more flush on there. Just because the OEM tips are smaller, so the overall 4-inch tip covers it a little bit more. But AP2 bumpers always looks good.
Sick. Yep.